Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I am Charlie. We have T, she's behind the camera. She will make appearances as we go, but as you can tell, I'm standing by a door, I'm standing in a hotel room, so obviously it's another room tour. We are still in Vegas, we are at another hotel room, and this time where are we at, T?
Palazzo.
We're at the Palazzo. We're very excited about this one. This is one of the few hotels on the strip neither of us have been to. We've just arrived, you're going to see it as we see it. So we start off, nice hallway, lots of space, but the first thing you notice is a nice big mirror. Looks very nice, but it just gives great vibes, doesn't it? It gives very Venetian. We stayed at the Venetian. Palazzo seems very similar. First thoughts is a little bit fresher, but we'll see. Should we go through?
Yeah.
Bathroom. Here we go. Again, I have to apologise, there might be a bit of an echo, but we'll do our best. So much space in here, looks fresh, looks modern, sorry, that's the word, looks modern. Tiling looks nice, everything is just finished so nicely. Like you walk in and it just looks like high quality, right? Looks stylish.
Beautiful.
It just looks grand, it looks grand, it's so nice. So, his and her sinks. We all know T likes his and her sink, so she's happy, I'm sure. Bath and shower separated. Always a good sign when you're in Vegas if you get the bath and the shower separated. It always just seems to set a good tone for the rest of the room. So, bath looks deep. We haven't run it, but we're going to have to jump in there soon, aren't we?
Yeah.
This looks nice. This looks really nice. So we're definitely going to have to jump in there at some point. I'm afraid you're not going to see it, but we're going to enjoy it for sure. Looking forward to that. Really nice finish. Shower as well. Looks nice. You all know what I'm about to do. If you've watched any of our room tours, you will know we've got to test the shower out and see what it's about. So, I feel like I'm going to have to be quick because I feel like water pressure is going to be good here. Let's see. Oh no, see, that's alright. I'm able to do it. Water's good. Heat it up. There we go. So water pressure's good, looking good, happy with that. One of us can shower, one of us can bath, we can all be going. Someone else can be going toilet at the same time behind the door. Let's go to that. So,
Toilet time.
in here obviously is the toilet. And there you go, you've got your emergency phone if you need it. One of T's favourites in Vegas. There's not much to say, obviously, it's where you do your business, but it's nice. We always like it when the toilet's separated, right, and closed off from the rest of the room.
Yeah.
When you have a bathroom, so very nice size, bright. I really like the brightness, and it's the detail at the top. Look, I really like how the ceiling's sort of set in, if that makes sense. Really nice, and we have a TV. I didn't even notice that. So you can imagine, sit down here. There's one slight problem. One slight problem. The tap end is also the TV view end, which isn't really going to work. So if you put your head down this end, the TV needs to be there. That's what I'd say. That's my little bit of opinion. That's
Maybe this is for when you're sitting at the vanity.
Yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of reasons to use it. Maybe some people like to watch TV and have a shower, I don't know. My first thought is, if there's TV in the bathroom, it's so you can have a bath, watch TV, and it's the wrong way around. A bit of opinion from me, but the rest of it, incredible. I'm using the words incredible. And T wants me to open this up because you'll see, I've got another little vanity station, and I assume that turns on. Yeah? You'll like that, right?
Yeah, for your makeup.
And here we have an amenities box. Let's see what's in it. Here you go. So you've got cotton pads, you have sewing kit. I love how many places give you sewing kits. Like, has anyone ever been in a hotel room and gone, you know what I really need? Sewing. If you have, let us know. Now file. And looks like a shower cap.
That'd be good for you.
Shower cap. There you go. So a few little touches. We like the little touches. I think that just gives it a little bit of class. Overall, really, really nice. I think I'm trying to compare it to some of the others, but I'm not going to do that right now. But of all the hotels in Vegas, very, very nice bathroom. Really impressed. And let's go through because it just gets better. Just gets better. Can't tell, we like this hotel room already. We're very excited. So, come through. Great thing about Palazzo, same as the Venetian, is it's an all-suite hotel. So, every single room has just so much space. So much space. So this is like a standard king room with a strip view. So we paid a little bit more for a city/strip view, which you'll see in a minute. But apart from that, this is what you get in a standard room. And if T does a little pan round quickly, you can just see how big this room is. Honestly, it's so nice. Let's open up here. Ironing board, obviously important. We have our safe and we have some slippers, nice little touch. What we are missing is dressing gowns. But,
Yeah.
you can't
The
have it
only
all.
missing piece.
Can't have it all. So, artwork. I really like the theme of this. It gives me vibes of Venetian. Obviously, it's a sister hotel of Venetian. My personal opinion right now, first of all, is I'm preferring it over the Venetian. It just looks a little bit fresher. So let's keep going. Obviously, we have plenty of drawers. All of these are drawers. If you need to bring that much stuff, then you've got
Depends how
plenty of
long you're
space.
staying, I guess.
Then we come through and we have a nice little seating area. Like we say, all suite. So as standard, you will get all this space. It's quite interesting because you imagine they could have used this to put another bed in, but the hotel's gone down the suite route, which I think is really nice, especially if there's a group of you. Whether you're all staying in this hotel or there's a group of you and some of you are staying here and others staying in other hotels, I imagine this is where you'd start your night. This would become the main hub, wouldn't it? Because there's just so much space. You've got the table. T likes it when we have a desk. I don't know why, because we never do anything desk related when we're in Vegas, but it's here. Another big mirror. Very nice mirror. And I think the mirrors help with the room. The room's quite light in general. I don't know how it's coming across on the camera, but it's quite light and airy. But the mirror's just kind of bringing it a bit.
I think
touch
the
to it,
view is
right?
distracting everyone because you're right in front of it.
Damn. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the view. Why don't we show? The Palazzo is at the end of the strip, so you can see we've got Treasure Island opposite us. If you were to look to the right, you can just about see Resorts World. And then obviously directly next to us would be Wynn and Encore. In fact, you can see the Wynn sign down there. So that's where we are in the strip. Venetian is next door, slightly closer obviously to the centre of the strip. But it's an interesting one. You're not going to get middle centre strip location here, but you get so much more with everything else that comes. So it is an expensive hotel, but it's just screaming quality right now, and it's just looking good. You definitely get your money's worth. I think that's safe to say, right?
Do you want to show how you control
I would show how you control them, but I don't know. How do we do it?
this?
This here, go on to you show.
So it's got sheer, drapery and all, and then you've got stop, close, open. So if I do the first one, which is the sheer, and then close.
Like we always say, with our hotel reviews, especially in Vegas, when you have the settings and you do everything by sort of presses of buttons, it just always just gives a sign of the quality of the hotel. It's always a dead giveaway, because obviously we don't mind doing it with our hands, but it tends to be that if you have all the automatic settings on the windows, things like that, then just the attention to detail throughout tends to carry through. And I think that's fair to say, right?
Yeah.
So, anything else you want to share about this room, T? There's so much space, so many places to sit. I can imagine pre-drinking's going to be great in here. I'm already eyeing up the bed. I want to jump on it. Shall I do it?
Yes. Last
Yes.
thing I'll say, I really do like this. It gives a bit of like a catwalk runway marble effect.
It's really nice. It separates the two. Obviously, here you get your aircon. Pretty standard, pretty normal. The room was very chilled when we came in, so that was very nice. But my favourite part, I'm going to test out the bed, and I've got high hopes.
God, that's a bit of a run up.
You know, as well, when you look at the bed, I really like the setting, right? It looks like you've got two curtains there you can potentially
Oh yeah,
pull
you
out,
do.
which is going to be really interesting. Should we try it?
Yeah. Let's show them what that looks like.
If it does, it might be actually that it's connected and you can't. No, it looks. No, you can't. I'm afraid.
Oh, there's something on my side. I don't know if we've chosen side yet, but there's something on this side.
No, it's
on the wall. No, what does the what do the button say?
This sheer drapes. This is just another.
Oh,
step.
that's just another one
yeah,
for the.
So if you don't want to get up, so whilst in bed, you can do it there. That's a nice touch. I like that.
Yeah.
But what I thought is this might pull out, but it doesn't. They're tied in. You can't pull those out. Before we jump on the bed, I'm jumping to my favourite part and getting some of the details. Obviously, you saw the safe in the door, but there's a fridge, right, with a minibar?
Yeah.
Whereabouts is it, T? You saw it?
It is in there. I don't know if you've also noticed that there are 2 TVs.
Here we go, fridge and minibar, stocked by the looks of it with quite a few things. Yeah, so very stocked. We have so much in here. We actually have Red Bull, Powerade. I don't often see Powerade in these fridges. So much soft drink, so much alcohol. You've got Tito's, Belvedere, Captain Morgan, Jack Daniels, a bit of everything. Oh, tequila down the bottom. So, fully stocked. One thing obviously always to remember is take anything out, you immediately get charged. If you even put anything of your own in there, you'll more than likely get charged. So that's always just worth noting. Because a minibar is not cheap, that's all I'm going to say. So for sure, early impressions, having a look around, one of my favourite hotel rooms on the Strip already. We've stayed at so many of them. Great value. You pay a lot for it, but I still think it's actually fantastic value because you get so much more than so many other Strip hotels. You should check out some of our other room tours. There are a few others on there that we really, really rate, but this is up there, one of the best for me. Amazing. Can't wait to jump on the bed. Shall I go for it?
Yes.
Here we go. Yes. This feels so good.
I was just about to say that was a nice fluffy flop.
Don't mind me, I'm just going to nap. Let me just check the pillows for everyone as well. That's what we like, nice soft pillows. We're going to have a great night's sleep. We really like this hotel already. Good vibes. Downstairs everyone was amazing. So, let us know if you stayed in the Palazzo before, what your thoughts are. For us, big fans already, really like this hotel. But that's it from us. We'll put a link up to another video we know you will love. We will see you in the next one. Bye.